Mm.
Does she like it, you think?
Mm. 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 Mama.
You did it. Why does she have a lot of crumbs on her face? Are you feeding her? Let me take them off. Can we not throw them on the floor, please? I'll pick it up later.
Mama. Cry.
Oh, did she cry? You're telling her it's okay. Say, it's okay, baby. Did you kiss her today? Did you kiss your baby yet?
Bye.
Give her a big kissy. She likes them.